Ready to unlock the power of your SQL data and seamlessly integrate it with Python for incredible data analysis and application development? First, let's establish a connection to your SQL database. We'll explore popular libraries like SQLAlchemy for PostgreSQL, pyodbc for SQL Server, and SQLAlchemy for a more versatile approach that supports multiple database systems. Next, we'll learn how to execute SQL queries directly from your Python script. You'll see how to write effective SQL statements and retrieve data into Python data structures like lists, dictionaries, and, most commonly, DataFrames using pandas. Now for the magic, learn how to manipulate, clean, and transform your SQL data within Python. Will cover essential techniques for preparing your data for analysis, visualization, or even machine learning. Discover how to create dynamic reports and visualizations directly from your SQL data using libraries like Matplotlib or Seaborn. This bridges the gap between your data storage and actionable insights. We will also show you how to construct secure SQL queries from within Python by parameterizing them, preventing SQL injection vulnerabilities and ensuring data integrity. Lastly, we'll explore techniques for optimizing data transfer and retrieval, ensuring efficient performance when working with large datasets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently pull data from your company's database and create awesome software.